Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete and remove languages from Windows 10. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is come down to your taskbar and we're going to be clicking on our start button on the bottom left. And then from here we're going to be searching for settings. Once this opens up, we should see this Settings Microsoft Store app right here. We're going to be clicking this open and this should open up our Windows settings. Now from here what you can do is search for language in the search box right here, or in my case what I'm going to be doing is just clicking on the time and language tab, which is going to bring us to a next settings window where we're going to have some more options, and we're going to have a couple of tabs on the left for date and time, region, language, and then speech. But in this case what we're going to be doing is clicking on the language tab, which is going to open up our language settings for Windows. Now from here we should get a couple different options, but at the bottom we should see different languages installed on our Windows, and in this case I have two. I have English Ireland and then I have Netherlands Belgium. Now what you can do is you can select and click on any language and you should have a couple of options, which is going to be to move up and down priority, options, and then remove. Now you can see in this case the remove option for English Ireland is currently grayed out, and that's because this is set as our default language app. So to actually change this, what we need to do is click the downwards arrow, which is going to move it to non-priority. And if we click away and then click back to it, the remove option is suddenly available, and now we're going to actually be able to remove the language if we want to. So what happens is by default you can't remove the default language in Windows, as just in case this is the only one installed, so they have that feature blocked out unless it's the secondary language. So what happens is if you want to remove a language installed in Windows but it's the only one, what you're going to have to do is click add a language first, add any language you want. In this case I'm going to be using this as an example, click next. Then all you need to do is install the language, and then the language will be installed inside Windows. Now you will need an internet connection to add new languages inside in Windows, so this may take a little bit of time, but the languages usually aren't that big in file size, usually only a couple of megabytes. But once a language is added and you have a secondary language, then you should be able to remove the other language pretty easily by just clicking remove language, and then the language will be removed. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you find these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.